Have you ever wondered where you could find some of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on the planet? Welcome to California, where nature's beauty knows no bounds. From the towering giants of Redwood National Park to the surreal desert landscapes of Joshua Tree, these parks offer breathtaking escapes. Whether you're seeking adventure or a peaceful retreat, California's national parks are waiting for you. Did you know that California's national parks owe much of their existence to early conservationists like John Muir, who fiercely advocated for the protection of these lands in the late 19th century? Yosemite National Park, established in 1890, was one of the first to be safeguarded, followed by Sequoia and others. Muir's deep connection to nature inspired the movement to preserve these untouched landscapes, leading to the creation of national parks that protect California's unique ecosystems. These parks preserve not just the land, but the spirit of wonder and adventure that defines the American wilderness. Today, these parks stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of conservation, offering millions the chance to experience nature in its purest form. Located in the Sierra Nevada mountains, Yosemite National Park is a crown jewel of the national park system. It's where towering granite cliffs like El Capitan and the Half Dome rise dramatically from the valley floor, offering views that leave visitors breathless. Yosemite Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in North America, cascades down in a thunderous display, especially in spring when snowmelt fuels its power. But beyond these iconic landmarks, Yosemite's true magic lies in its quieter moments. Imagine standing in a grove of ancient sequoias, some over 2,000 years old, with trunks so wide they defy belief. The Mariposa Grove, home to over 500 mature giant sequoias, is a serene sanctuary that speaks to the enduring power of nature. Hiking through Yosemite, whether on the Mist Trail or the Myrtle Fall or the challenging trek to Glacier Point, you're constantly reminded of the sheer scale and beauty of this wilderness. Even a simple walk through the Yosemite Valley offers views that have inspired countless artists and adventurers, including the famed photographer Ansel Adams. His black and white images of Yosemite helped to cement its status as a place of almost mythical beauty. This park is not just a destination, it's a pilgrimage for those who seek to experience nature in its most majestic form. A must-visit park in Yosemite is Half Dome, which rises nearly 5,000 feet above Yosemite Valley, making it the park's most iconic landmark. The hike to the summit is challenging, requiring strength and determination, but the reward is stunning. From the top, breathtaking views stretch across the park, showcasing the grandeur of Yosemite's cliffs, forests, and waterfalls. For those who prefer not to climb, Half Dome is just as inspiring from below. Whether viewed from the valley floor, its smooth granite face embodies the raw, majestic beauty that Yosemite is known for. In the southern Sierra Nevada, Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks offer a journey into the land of giants. Here, the General Sherman tree stands as the largest living organism on the planet, an awe-inspiring behemoth that towers 275 feet above the forest floor. Seeing General Sherman up close is a humbling experience, a reminder of nature's sheer power and resilience. Walking among these ancient trees, some of which have lived for over 3,000 years, is a humbling experience that connects you to the deep history of the earth. The parks are more than just home to giant sequoias. They also boast some of the most rugged mountain terrain in the lower 48 states. Kings Canyon, often called a rival to Yosemite, plunges 8,200 feet down to the Kings River, creating one of the deepest canyons in North America. Its sheer walls and dramatic vistas are a paradise for hikers and nature lovers alike. The High Sierra Trail, which traverses these parks, offers backcountry enthusiasts a challenging yet rewarding adventure. Passing through alpine meadows, roaring waterfalls, and serene mountain lakes. These parks also protect vast networks of caves, including Crystal Cave, an underground wonderland of marble polished smooth by thousands of years of water flow. Visiting Sequoia and Kings Canyon is like stepping into a primeval world where nature reigns supreme, offering a glimpse into an ancient, untamed wilderness. Joshua Tree National Park is where the Mojave and Colorado deserts collide, creating a surreal landscape that feels like it belongs on another planet. The park's namesake, the Joshua Tree, with its twisted spiky branches, stands as a symbol of the resilience of life in the harsh desert environment. These unique trees, which are a species of yucca, can live for hundreds of years, their gnarled forms telling stories of survival against the odds. Joshua Tree is a paradise for rock climbers, offering over 8,000 climbing routes that range from beginner to expert. The park's vast open spaces are dotted with massive boulders and rocky outcrops, such as those found in the Hidden Valley area, which invite exploration and adventure. By day, the sun casts stark shadows across the desert floor, illuminating the vibrant colors of the landscape. And at night, Joshua Tree truly comes alive. Far from city lights, the park offers some of the clearest skies in Southern California. Making it a premier destination for stargazing. The Milky Way stretches across the sky in a dazzling display, and with a bit of luck, you might even catch a meteor shower. Whether you're hiking through the Chihuahua Cactus Garden at dawn, exploring the ruins of Keys Ranch, or simply sitting in the stillness of the desert at sunset, Joshua Tree offers a profound sense of peace and connection to the natural world. Its known spot, the Hidden Valley, is a secluded haven within Joshua Tree, rumored to have once sheltered cattle rustlers. Today, it's a peaceful escape for hikers and climbers. The 1-mile loop trail leads through towering boulders and clusters of iconic Joshua trees, creating a serene landscape that feels worlds away from civilization. The quiet here is profound, offering a chance to connect with the desert's rugged beauty. Whether you're exploring the rock formations or simply soaking in the solitude, Hidden Valley is a perfect representation of Joshua Tree's unique and tranquil allure. Death Valley National Park, the hottest, driest, and lowest national park in the United States, is a land of extremes. Located in the eastern part of California, near the Nevada border, this park is a study in contrast. At Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, you stand 282 feet below sea level. Surrounded by vast salt flats that stretch as far as the eye can see. This vast salt flat stretches across the valley floor, its white surface shimmering in the desert heat. Walking on the salt crust, surrounded by barren mountains, feels like stepping onto another planet. The harsh beauty of the basin is especially striking at sunrise and sunset, when soft light transforms the landscape into a kaleidoscope of colors. In spring, after rare desert rains, the park bursts into life with a stunning wildflower bloom, painting the arid land in hues of yellow, purple, and white. The Mesquite Flat sand dunes near Stovepipe Wells offer an ocean of sand where visitors can hike to the crest of the tallest dune and feel like they're standing on the edge of the world. Zabriskie Point provides one of the park's most famous views, with its rippling badlands glowing in the soft light of sunrise. For those who seek adventure, the rugged Titus Canyon offers a thrilling drive through towering canyon walls. While the ghost town of Rhyolite gives a glimpse into the park's rich mining history. Despite its name, Death Valley is full of life and beauty, waiting to be discovered by those who venture into its harsh yet captivating terrain. Home to the tallest trees on Earth, Redwood National and State Parks offer a journey into a prehistoric world where nature's giants reign supreme. Located along the Northern California coast, these parks protect nearly half of the world's remaining old-growth redwoods, trees that could reach heights of over 350 feet and live more than 2,000 years. Walking through a redwood forest is an experience like no other. The air is cool and damp, filled with the scent of earth and moss, while the forest floor is soft underfoot, carpeted with ferns and fallen needles. The trees soar into the sky, their trunks so wide that it takes several people to encircle them. The canopy high above filters sunlight, creating a cathedral-like atmosphere that inspires awe and reverence. Among the most famous of these groves is the Tall Trees Grove, where the tallest tree in the park, the Hyperon, stands at a staggering 379 feet. But the redwoods are not the only marvels here. The parks also protect vast prairies, oak woodlands, and wild rivers that flow to the Pacific Ocean. Scenic drives like the Newton B. Drury Scenic Parkway offer breathtaking views. While the rugged coastline of the parks, with its rocky cliffs and secluded beaches, invites exploration. Whether you're hiking the Fern Canyon, where prehistoric plants line the narrow walls of a lush gorge, or simply sitting in the silence of the forest, surrounded by these ancient giants, Redwood National and State Parks provide a profound connection to the natural world and a reminder of the resilience and majesty of life on Earth. A must-visit park here is Fern Canyon, which is a lush green wonderland hidden deep within Redwood National Park. The canyon's 50-foot walls are covered in ferns, creating a narrow, magical passageway that feels like stepping into another time. A gentle stream flows through the canyon, adding to its serene, almost prehistoric atmosphere. The short hike is a peaceful escape, with wooden footbridges helping visitors navigate the wet terrain. Used as a filming location for the movie Jurassic Park 2, Fern Canyon is one of the park's most enchanting and unique spots, perfect for nature lovers. California's national parks are not just destinations. They're sanctuaries of natural wonder, adventure, and peace. From the towering sequoias to the vast desert landscapes, these parks offer unforgettable experiences that connect us to the Earth's beauty. Whether you seek thrilling adventures or quiet moments of reflection, California's parks invite you to explore, discover, and protect these treasures for future generations. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey through these magnificent landscapes. Nature's beauty is waiting, and it's more breathtaking than you could ever imagine.